I have been making these pav for the last few months now and they come out perfect every time. Pav is one of those things we all love with bhaji, misal, vada pav, or even just with some butter. Homemade pav has such a lovely fresh aroma, and once you make it a few times, it becomes very simple. I start by taking half a cup of lukewarm milk. To this, add active dry yeast and honey. Mix it gently and keep it aside for a few minutes till the yeast becomes active and frothy. For the flour, I usually use 6 cups total, half wheat flour and half bread flour. This gives a nice balance. The pav are soft but still a little hearty. Now add the rest of the milk, salt, butter and about 6 cups of flour. Start making the dough in the stand mixer, but you can knead by hand too. One important thing to remember, don't make the dough too tight. The trick for soft pav is that the dough should be a bit loose and soft. If we add too much flour and make it stiff, the pav will become hard after baking. So always start with 6 cups of flour and add extra only if needed. The dough should be soft, slightly sticky, and smooth after kneading. Cover it and keep it aside for about 1.5 to 2 hours till it doubles nicely. Once it has risen, punch it down gently and divide into small balls. Arrange them close to each other in the baking dish. This helps them rise together and get that nice pav shape. Cover again and let them rise for another 30 to 60 minutes till they look puffy and doubled. Then bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes till the top looks slightly golden. If you want very soft pav, you can make these with all bread flour. If you want them more hearty, increase the wheat flour. You can also replace 1 cup of flour with almond flour to give some extra nutrition. Just remember, as we add other flours, the pav becomes a little denser. Brush with a little butter when they come out of the oven and let them cool slightly. You can transfer them on a wire rack like I have shown, so that the bottom doesn't become wet. Soft homemade pav are ready, perfect for pav bhaji, vada pav, misal pav, or just warm with butter. Enjoy!